You daughter of a nobody. You dare challenge me? The prince of Ezekiel kingdom. Nobody dares. Right? I have been looking for you everywhere. And today, you are at my mercy. Your ancestors, your stupid, ugly ancestors shall receive your soul in hell.
Where you? Not a cap nonsense, you hear me? I don't fear anybody. Oh. Go ask question. I know well. Oh. My name is Najide Chowa. The daughter of a great hunter. Now maybe the only pikin when Papa born finish. Still they find pikin. I'm not that useful to myself. Oh. Look me where. I'm not that useful to myself. You say this is your gun, this is your toy. Will make me that useful. Eh?
I can see that you have the balls to challenge me. Now, go to hell!
What did they do this one? You didn't whine. You swallow wish. You didn't make I think they go punish you.
What?
Oh, punish you. They do say you nonsense person. Or give me this your eyeglass. I'll fire you. Oh. You not go ask question before you come meet me. I know well, oh. Do anyhow you collect.
Jide Chowa?
Ma, please come.
What are your plans for tomorrow concerning our visitors?
I dey plan to cook insala soup with goat meat and fufu. Then I dey think say make I put pap with akara and moi moi. Your visitors they go need protein. We get one other soup where I see for online. Now online for check am. Na how do they call am again? Afang. But I went the full and where your visitors go like am. Very nice.
It's okay. Afang is a good one. I think the insala and the goat meat is also good. But what I'm having a second thought is the pap and akara.
The pap, no go there, my queen. Your male visitors they need and well. Now they call Akamu Jehovah. Very gang, my queen. Even king go need them. Now for your own good. You need that pap in brocos. The veins go stand kidigba if he enter you. You go be like a caterpillar jam you. Ha, my queen. The king need the pap. Don't cast the update too. No tell person that me tell you. This update very scarce. Now let me know the update. Akamu, you didn't whine. You need them. You need them. You go be now. Ma go start preparation. My queen. Hey, which kind of dream be this? Me and this prince again? He shoot me with gun 3 times, the gun no enter. Who do the other shit for me when make gun no enter my body? Jide chowa. You be like say this your malaria don't come up again, no. See the way I gather morale for the dream, I just I shoot them, Eh? Oh, Petweke. Sure.
Jide.
Eh?
The prince wants to see you now.
Okay. Where they go?
Your Majesty, this is getting out of hand. And we, the people of Ezekwama, the last brother of Ezeku, we will not accept this. Your Majesty, this is not our norm. This is not our culture. And this is totally unacceptable.
Sit down.
You don't tell me to sit down.
I said in Zokonko, sit down.
Don't worry, it will get to you.
No, how dare you ask my brother to sit down? Oh no, enough is enough. Oh no, how can you beat a child and at the same time ask that child not to cry?
Ask them.
Oh no, remember this is the 3rd time this kind of thing is happening in this kingdom. Why are we even talking about this evil act in the first place? Huh?
Oji, who are you to stand and raise your voice in front of Majesty? And who are you? Answer me, Oji.
I know I am nobody. And you people have been treating us like puppets in this kingdom. But guess what? Enough is enough. We will not take it.
We will not take it. And what will you do?
I will
Oji,
do
what will you do?
I will do with
You, Oji. You, Oji, what will you do?
I will deal with him.
Look at this.
Deal with you.
Look at him.
What can you do? Oji.
You think you are doing the right thing? Creating havoc in the whole kingdom.
Don't mind them.
Jide Jowa. Jide Jowa.
My prince.
Where have you been? I've been searching for you everywhere.
No vex, sir. I did back here, they sleep before. No vex.
All right, go to my room.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Oh!
What?
Sorry, sir.
You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on me. Are you mad? Are you...
What do you want to do? You won't slap me? What did I do you when you slapped my ash before? Eh? You say Buka? You see this nonsense when you try, don't try him again. And not be all this domestic stuff where you the oppress, so where they do nonsense too. If you try that nonsense with me, you go collect woto. You didn't whine.
God! My friends. God! Take this non-entity, a daughter of nobody, to the palace cell. Hey! I want to lock her up. No food, no visitor until I change my mind. Do that now!
Come!
Leave me. Let me the press. Punish you now. Come here.
What? Go after her! Go after her! What? A married woman escaped! And you two, what are you looking for? Go! Go!
Enough! God!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, this is not fair. What the wrong man?
It is not fair. It is not fair. Follow me. Just follow me.
No problem. We will come back.
We are waiting. We will come back. We are waiting. Nonsense.
You wait. These men should be arrested. They should be arrested with immediate effect.
I don't know why you let them go. What?
What is
I
going
am
on?
going to deal with you. I will deal with you!
What happened? What is going on? Huh? Ebuka? What is the matter?
Mother, please! Please! Look for her!
My prince, Jide has escaped.
Huh?
Yes, she has run out of the palace.
What happened? What's going on?
Jide has escaped.
What do you mean by she has escaped? Are you mad? Why am I paying you all? Why are you even in this palace? A mere woman. A woman! A daughter of nobody. You allowed to escape. You allowed her to escape out of my palace. Huh?
Ebuka, what did she do?
Now
Talk to me, what happened?
Listen. You all listen. I am giving you 20 minutes. 20 minutes to go and find her, or I will chop off your heads and feed the beast in the forest. Go now!
Can you just come down and tell me what happened? What is the matter?
Mama, please.
What did she do?
Mother! Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you.
Your brother has gone.
Oh, please! It is your brother that will go, man, not mine. Nonsense, rubbish.
Bro! Adore! Adore, you talk to me in that manner? I'm finished. What is going on? What is the matter?
Yeah, he's getting up. But, Mazoko, I'm no longer comfortable about what is happening. What do we do? That idiot, so-called our prince, is now raping our young girls. And every time he will go scot-free. Is it because the father is the Igwe? He's now above the law. Is that not so?
Ichioji, we are going to write the commissioner of police. And you know, I have always told you to relax. But you wouldn't listen. You are just too short-tempered, and that is not okay with me.
Why won't I be? Why won't I be? Just tell me. This idiot now is cutting short our children from moving around or from having free liberty in their own father's land.
Ichioji.
Because he's just a prince.
Ichioji, let us go.
Anyway, you said you are going to write commission of police. Okay, let's go.
Choi! Mana Prince, hi, Choi. Hey! I told her not to go to that palace. I told her not to collect that job. But look at it now. Prince have raped my girl.
Nah, but my man, this is madness, oh. It's Botara. Eh? What in this community self they turn into? How can we have a prince as a rapist? Somebody who is moving freely, terrorizing the whole community, terrorizing our girls within Chonchin here. This story no clear, I swear to God. But I thought it's consensual.
Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ n'ihe ikwu kịta. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. If you nụrụ ihe okwu kịta.
Ọwụ nwa gị ka atara.
Ọ wala concession now, akpe?
It's clear.
Don't worry, I swear, Prince ga-eri nwa gị.
A ga-ata nwa gị.
Ọkwa ifu nwunye na ndị ọ na-aba agbanye ọbụla ikoro na-akwụgharị na nke mma Ngozi. Prince, don't worry.
But my man, I think the best thing is for us to request for our own autonomous. So, kingdom and dollar like I say.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
This is unfair. And then the treat I'm very, very bad.
Yes.
And I don't want it anyhow.
Do you know where this thing is spending me? Do you know where? That's Prince Eliego. Plan. That's somebody that I'm planning. Somebody that I'm planning.
Virgin girl again.
Hey!
Oh, with them.
Etabe ya first one.
Okay, forget.
What got virgin? They got it and one be with the opportunity.
On we here forever now. On we here forever now.
I got attack again. My prince not attack again. They got it and one be with the opportunity.
What I am.
So una priest send una mo una come arrest me. You no fear, abi? For my papa house. You no fear. If una get mind, make una put body. Cross this place. I will give una short sleeve cutting. I know well, when I go ask question.
Jide Chowa, this is an order from the prince. So you have to surrender now.
Surrender your papa. You dey hear me? Una go surrender una self. You see that na stupid prince. Na thunder go fire am. He no fear. He look me. Slap me for my yansh. Abi ashawo. No, Abi ashawo, Abi. He slap me for my yansh. Tell me say na spanking. He no fear my face. He no fear my height. He tear me slap. If I catch him, wetin I go do am? And if they no come out for this place, una blood go speak ground. I go blood una for this place.
Let's go.
No, stay. Stay now. See that priest, so? He didn't whine. Only 1 week when I stay for palace. He don't show me madness. He thinks I be all this medicine they rape up and down. I don't get that for that kind of nonsense. So if you try that rubbish with me, you go collect. I go punish all of una. Nonsense.
Hey, I want you to kill me. Kill me.
Obika, please, leave that boy for Christ's sake. Biko, leave him.
Father, leave my clothes. I don't want to push you.
Oh, you want to push me?
You have no strength in you. Allow me to go.
Go ahead and push me. And I want you to kill me. I want to rest. I just want to rest. Then you can take over the kingdom and continue to rape the maidens. Kill me.
Father, please leave my brother alone. Leave him alone. Ebuka is an adult. Leave him alone, please. Let him enjoy his life.
I want this boy to kill me. He will not. And it has to be today. He will kill me.
Obika, please. He will not kill you. Let him be, Biko. Happier.
Father, I don't want to push you. I'm saying this for the last time. I do not want to push you.
Get ready to leave this country. Get ready to leave my kingdom. You lie. Get out of my palace.
Father, you lie. If
Get out of my
I
palace.
leave this kingdom, let me die.
Then they will kill you.
Let me die.
Then you will die.
No one is going to push me out of this my father's kingdom.
You will die. You will die.
I am the prince of this land. Nothing is going to happen to me.
I say you will die.
Right? Get out of
my palace.
Father, you have no life. Very soon you're going to die through your ancestors. So allow me to live my life. Huh? They will kill him. Nothing. No one is going to do anything to me. You will do nothing. You will be better.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill.
Yes, this is my kingdom, and I have every right to do anything. He will soon die, and I will take over the throne. Yes, he will do nothing.
Don't talk to your father like that. It's not right.
Then advise him. Advise him.
I bet you will leave this kingdom because you have shamed yourself enough. You have disgraced yourself and you're not satisfied. I have given you women for your satisfaction. I have given you wives. All you do is have them beaten up to stupor and chase them away. Because you want to satisfy your evil desire of molesting and raping all my female staff. Now you want to lay with the chef. Don't punish that your way.
Hey. Since you do not want to give me peace in this palace, I am going to give you war. No, war I shall give you because you deserve it. So let me tell you something. You will soon die and I will take over the throne. Alright? Mama, talk to your husband. I have every right to do anything with any of my subjects. Alright? My business should not be his business. Mba! He's an old man. Advise your husband. Advise him. Hey, you bastard! Open the gates. Open the gates.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill.
Look at my daughter. Look at what the priest did to my own daughter.
Woman, how did it happen? Talk to your uncle.
I went to clean his bedroom. I didn't know he was in there.
I was so engrossed with what I was doing. I didn't know he noticed him coming out from the bathroom. He asked me to come to him. I refused. I tried to move away. I tried to leave. He grabbed me. I screamed. I begged him. I kept on begging him, but he didn't listen. He just beat me up. He kept beating me. And then he took advantage of me.
Excuse me. I want to get it right. You mean the prince raped you right at the palace?
Yes, Uncle, he did. He did.
My brother, on this matter, God in heaven is going to judge this matter. See what they did to me, a poor widow like me.
Uche, it's okay. I will know what to do about the matter. You mean the prince raped you right at the palace?
He did. Mama, who would judge him? It's okay.
I'm sorry, baby girl. I have to take care of my daughter before coming down.
I see. So your daughter is more important than me, right?
Baby girl, you cannot be doing that right now. You cannot be comparing yourself with my little girl. Come on.
Last week, is still this your daughter? You don't even have time for me. You don't even create time for me. Come on.
But I told you. She was sick last week and I had to take her to the hospital. I thought I told you this already. Why are you bringing it up now?
It's okay. I understand. I will be coming for the weekend. I want us to spend some quality time together, bond together, you understand? You know this is a new relationship, so we need to get to know each other very well.
Why, Princess? Why do you choose me as your man? You know I'm a single father, and I wouldn't want you to feel like my attention is divided.
Marvin, I love you so much. And you know that. I love you. That's by the way. Let's go to my room.
But we can stay out here. I mean, the weather out here is good. Huh?
Marvin, don't tell me you're afraid to come to my room.
Afraid? You cannot be afraid of that. Huh? You could even say that.
I'll be waiting.
Babe. Babe, come on, baby girl.
Leave me alone. I said I don't want to do it by force. Leave me alone now. Leave me.
Amara, what is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No, what is the meaning of this?
Nothing.
Amara, come inside. Come inside.
Come and do what?
Amara, we are newly married. A man and his wife are supposed to be together. If you continue all this drama that you are doing, how are we supposed to reproduce? No, how am I supposed to enjoy you?
After you to give me small time. What is all this now? I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I don't have time. I do not have... This team does not have time. Eh? I have to enjoy you now. You are my wife. What is all this?
I'll go to my father's house. I'll go to my father's house.
Yeah, Wanya. It's like you are drinking something. What do you mean you will go to your father's house? Are you joking or what?
Not joking. I'll go to my father's house. You are disturbing me now. I told you to just give me small time. Is it hard? Give me a little time. I'm not ready.
Okay. See, come inside. Let me show you something.
I'll do what?
Come, let me show you something.
Come and see what?
Let me show you something inside.
I don't want to see anything.
Amara, come inside. Let me show you something.
Come and see what? Show me here.
I cannot show you here. It's meant for your eyes only.
No, my eyes is paining me. I can't see it.
You will like it. Amara, come now. What? No. Amara. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Amara. Amara. You see what you cost?
What did I cost? What did I cost? Stay on your own. You cannot stay.
This is how you want it, okay? This is how you want it. Am I come inside? Am I come inside? If you go to your father's house, you better stay there. Don't come back to my house. Are you still there? Come inside now. You are not coming. You look at that in balls like this, squeeze them. Oh God. Hi. Make her catch this prince one-on-one. Teeth go full everywhere.
Sister, are you saying that you have resigned your job as the palace chef? Hey now, I dey waste time. I know they tolerate rubbish.
Do you know my own now? See, this guy don't chop my girl. This guy don't chop my virgin girl. Hi. The most annoying thing now, I say, the parents don't speak English. They say na consensual. Imagine now, Ndiala.
What do you expect? They don't collect money now.
Sister, what will you now be doing?
Sister little girl plan not to carry gun follow us enter bush.
Bushy, shut up. You dey talk nonsense like say your papa go gree make I go hunt.
Papa no get choice. Now he give you work for palace. You don't resign. Carry gun more all of us enter bush.
See, as I dey like this now, I know they think go that side. I never even know what I want to do with my life now. I just need some time to think. They feel me?
Make I catch this prince one-on-one. One-on-one. If I don't see one, if I say I'm the drive now, I go stone in glass everywhere go past.
You have changed. Are you going out?
I'm going in. You didn't see me come from the road now to go back inside, Abby.
Where are you going?
Yeah, Wanya. If you like, stay outside. Don't go inside. If you like, remain outside. Don't enter into your husband's house. I'm going out.
Come back now. It's even better you go out. Please, I want this matter to be settled and sweep under the carpet for the sake of Aboma's future.
Well, I understand, my queen.
Madam, on behalf of my husband, the king of this kingdom, I sincerely apologize for whatever that happened to Aboma. So sorry about it, please.
It's okay. If you say so, it's fine.
Mazi, please. Have this. Just, please. It's a token. Please. Please. I believe this money will go a long way. But please, let us not allow this matter to escalate. I beg you. Can I have people not turn up and cobble on Tabiko?
I will not allow the matter to escalate.
Thank you so much.
I will try my best.
It's okay. Thank you.
Before you die.
Madam, like I said, I am very, very sorry. Please. I hope you enjoy yourself.
Yes, just make yourself comfortable, yeah? In case you need anything, just inside the room, okay? Yeah, come on.
Hi, boy.
No, she'll be here.
Juice what? Juice. Which one? Which one juice?
Ebuka, I need you to talk to me.
Mom, please, I need some privacy right now. Pico.
Why do you drive joy in molesting young girls? Why are you a pain in the neck? Tell me, because we need to have that conversation now.
Mother, I am a prince, and whatsoever I choose to do with my subjects should not be your concerning business.
And that does not give you the right, the power to behave like an animal. Ebuka, I have suffered. I have covered you enough. I have paid huge amounts of money to your victims. I have begged. I have talked to your father about you. What is all this? What do you have me do?
Mom, in all of this that you've mentioned, who sent you to pay my victims? Who? You decided to do that in your own account, like you decided to do that for yourself, not for me. Mom, please, I want to sleep. I really need to rest right now. Pico.
Ebuka, let me sound this as a warning. Let this be the last time you will lay your hand or your manhood to any maiden forcefully in this kingdom.
Whatever.
If you try it.
Angel, how are you?
Good evening, Princess Adure.
Good evening, my beautiful love. How are you doing?
Fine. Have you come to stay with us? I want you to stay with us.
Baby girl, she's going to stay with you when I travel for Abuja, right?
Okay.
Sounds good.
Don't worry, I'll come and stay with you once your dad travel, okay?
Okay.
Alright, baby girl, now Daddy needs to go get some shower, right? And he gets into the shower. Oh, okay. My love, I hope you are doing your assignments well, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Awesome, awesome. If you need help, you let me know, okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, my baby girl. Alright. I got you. I got you. 1-0. It's about 2-0. 2 from Daddy. Okay, let's go. The last one. Okay, I got it. That's 1-0, yeah? No, it's not it. Ready? You're trying to cheat. You're trying to cheat. I got you. You're trying to cheat. Don't cheat, yeah?
Mom, don't even go there. You are the worst person to advise me right now, please. I love him. Yes, I want him. He's a single dad, and so what? I should deal with it. It's fine. Good night.
Okay. My dear, try to be a good girl, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Otuji!
Sir.
I hope you watch the car.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Sir, is there another thing to carry?
No, nothing. Nothing. Alright now. Baby girl, take care of yourself, okay? You're cheating. Okay. Pick two from here. Play my princess. How many are you taking? You're supposed to take only two.
I can't find two.
No, you just pick 1, 2. That's it.
I told you I don't know how to play this
Ah,
game.
play. She don't have it. Oh, nice. You do. Okay, so you know how to play it, eh? You know how to play it. Okay. Shut on my princess. Okay. Oh, I don't have what to do. No, you're cheating. You're not supposed to see what is there. You just take and hide. Yeah? But it's not your turn yet. You're cheating us now, eh? Okay, no. It's allowed. He's going to play. I think I'm the one, yeah? Here we go. I'm changing it to a circle. Let's go. Who has a circle or a 3? Okay. Oh, you do? Okay. It's your turn now. Do you need help? Oh my God. Baby, you gave me 2. Are you sure? Okay, no problem. Princess, you're trying to cheat. Don't cheat. I'll take 2. It's not you. It's not you. She's the one to take 2. Not you, princess. Oh, you're giving her. Okay, better. Now you play. Let's go. I'm going to win. Promise you. What's happening? Where are you going to? You're not playing again. It's fine. Let's continue. Okay. Yeah, here we go. It's going now. While I run along, let me go fetch Heaven from school. So that I need to run now. Let me fetch Heaven from school. Okay.
I don't understand. Don't you have a driver? Can't he pick her from school?
My driver is unavailable. He's on leave.
Babe, we need to talk and it had to be now. I mean, I just got here and you are leaving. Really? You just want to leave me and go?
My dear, just make yourself comfortable, okay? I'll be back. Alright, I can't keep Heaven waiting. Alright? I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. I'll see you now.
And you? What are you doing here by this time of the night?
Come on, will you run to your room? I said run to your room!
Tara. Sister, what is it? What happened? Nothing. It's just a dream. Hey. Let's go and see.
Wait what? Don't touch me, don't touch me! Amaka, I don't understand. I don't understand. What is the problem? What? You don't understand what? Don't touch me. Just leave me alone, let me be. What is it? Do you have a problem with hearing? Happen, Amaka. Amaka, since I married you, I have not touched you. You have not allowed me to touch you. I cannot wait any longer. I said you should just wait a little. I'm not ready. Amaka, I cannot wait. You have to wait. This thing cannot wait. You have to wait. You have to wait. I'll leave this place. I'll go to another place. I'll go to the sitting room. Just give me small now. I'll just put small. Make sure you don't touch me. Even to Kwanamaka. Amaka, I don't. Leave me alone. What is it? Give me small. Leave me. Chima. Amaka. Just leave me! I'm begging. Don't do. Remove your hand from here. Everything you want to do. What is it? We have not done before now. I said give me just more time. We cannot do now. I'm not ready. Chima, I will not warn you again. Leave me alone now. What is it? What is it? Do you have a problem with your ears? I said I don't want to do. Sorry that I'm trying to use you to Biko. Just Biko. This thing, I cannot control it anymore. You have to control it though. You have to control it. I don't want to. I cannot do now. Please now. When will you now do? When? I said give me a little time. If you give me small time, I will do by myself. This is all you've been saying since I married you. What kind of a wife does not allow the man to perform his marital duties? Yeah? Amara, you must do. You must do. Chima, don't touch me. Chima, I'm not gonna mark her. Amara, you must do. Amara.
I'm trying to work for that palace again. I no go try him. See as that prince there like this, I no get business with him. Me and that prince don't go fit pass the same road because anyway I catch him, he go collect.
Wait. So you mean he actually asked his guards to lock you up in the cell?
No be smart, your uncle. As I tell escape, no be beans. That prince, useless prince, slapped me for my yash.
What?
He slapped me for my bum. As if that one was not enough. He knocked me slap for face. Can't tell the guards me they go lock me up. That one that they call abuse. Uncle, if not for city, I supposed to sue that man. He abused my human rights, and I know they use my human rights play.
You see, you will not work in that palace again. I will go and look for another job for you.
No, Uncle, no bother to find job for me. I want to follow Bushi go the hunt for bushmeat. I want to become a full-time hunter.
No, now. You can't do that. Remember, you're a woman.
Uncle, I don't make up my mind. See, now that work I won't do. No bother to find job for me. I want to be a full-time hunter, not be half for full-time. I go hunt for bushmeat, they sell and they make money.
Oh. By the way, where is Chidera?
Greetings. Who are you? Are you new in this kingdom?
No, my prince. Though we lived in the city, Kano, before we finally moved to the village.
Ah. Who is your father?
Little Nora.
You may go. Okay. I want you to search everything, all the details about that girl. I want to eat her. I don't care if she's an orphan or not. I want to eat her.
As it pleases you, my prince.
God. Look at that girl. On a good day, I am going to eat you. I will eat you. I will eat you raw.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije motwa, ije bajaba.
I'm back. Welcome, boy. Oh God, I don't go kick my leg for stone.
Sorry, oh. Let me press it for you.
Hey.
Sorry. Let me go and bring something and go on.
No, leave her.
No,
you're dry. No.
You sure?
Hi, Dogo.
Sorry, yeah? Sorry.
Hey. You see this stone, eh? You go come out and more. You go pull and come out. It too they injure me. Sure?
Hey. Sorry.
Don't worry, go. I just
Sister Aisha will not put
I did okay. I won't quit. I be strong now. I work for you.
Good afternoon. Jide Chawa.
Is your mama fine?
I'm fine, oh. Queen asked me to come and call you. You are needed in the palace.
Any problem?
No be you run. She's worried.
I know they go anywhere. Now yeah, I pin put. You better say I get peace from my papa's house that to go collect insult for that palace. I know they go anywhere. Tell her say I know they come.
I suggest you go and see her.
Come on for this place. Say Papo.
Talk to your sister.
Go. Come on for here. Before. Even if they carry gun put for my head, I know they go anywhere.
Yes.
This stupid stone. You go come on this stone for this place. Pull and come out, oh. It too they injure me, oh.
It has come to my knowledge that you and your people are clamoring for division in my kingdom.
Igwe, the youths are angry. They are the people seeking justice. I only demanded the right things to be done.
By instigating them against the prince?
I will never do that.
Ichiokonko. So you have the guts
to petition the Commissioner of Police against our prince.
I also copied His Majesty. We cannot continue to allow things that are forbidden in our kingdom, in our land, to continue to thrive all the time. Listen, I am an Ichie here, and I represent my people here. The prince of this kingdom committed a sacrilege and returned to continue to pamper and sugarcoat everything that concerns him. Is this how he's going to rule our land?
Okay. Nze,
no.
Did our prince in any way molest or abuse your niece?
Who does that? I don't want anybody that will bring problem in this palace. Please. Are you trying to say that? Say what? I'm not trying to say anything. What happened was consensual. What? Yes, consensual.
Ichiokonko, I invited you to this palace to give you the last warning.
Your Majesty.
I am the king. You are all my subjects. If my son, the crown prince of this great kingdom, have done anything or is doing anything that is untoward, I, the king, as well as his father, I am working on it.
You are correct.
Now, I give you the very last warning. Stop instigating the people against my son. Stop picking on my son. Because I am bigger than you. I am stronger than you. And I am more highly connected than you are. But I will not tell you what I will do to you if you dare me. I am telling you for the very last time, I will personally deal with you.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije bota, ije bajaba. If you destroy all,
Dad, I will miss you.
I know, baby girl. I will miss you so much. But don't you worry. I'll be back within, a month. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
I'm sure you'll be a good girl.
Yes.
Nice one. My love, do take care of yourself and my angel for me, yeah?
Don't worry, baby. I will. Don't you trust me?
Of course I do.
We are good.
I do. My love, be a good girl, huh? Don't play too much.
Okay.
Don't play too much, oh.
Okay.
Promise me. I love you.
I'll miss you. I want you to go and return when your boss is back.
Sorry, Ma. My job is to look after her. I am paid for it.
What are the things you do in this house?
Like I said, I do take care of her. I always make her hair every Friday and also cook for the house.
What is that your name?
My name is Linda.
Good. I want you to go and return when your boss is back. I'm able and capable of doing everything in this house, so you have to go.
Ma!
Is something wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Are you questioning my orders? I say you should go and return when your boss is back. Are you mad?
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for yourself.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you'll bear the consequences.
Babe, like I said, I can take care of the house. I can take care of heaven. You already know, I just want to bond with her. Yes, babe. Don't bother yourself. I will do everything. No, I didn't fire her. I mean, why should I? And besides, I've complained about this nanny, the way she treats Evan. I don't like it. Don't worry, the work won't be too much on me. I'm fine. Baby, I'm missing you. When are you coming back? Alright. I love you. Bye.
My queen, no vessel, but I don't work for this palace again. In fact, I don't get another job. Nothing concern me with this palace again.
I am not forcing you to come back to the palace. Neither am I begging you to come back. But what I want to tell you is this. I would not want to hear you spread that news of my son trying to molest you. You should try it again. You will regret your life. How dare you? How dare you spread that false rumor? You go about telling people that my own son tried to molest you. Are you mad? Do you even have any proof?
Wait, I don't understand. I think as you come here, you won't beg me for what your son do me. Instead of you to beg me, you they warn me. But I lie for your son head, not be true. You might not throw your pikin well.
Will you shut up? Shut your trap. Are you mad? If you dare open your gutter, this gutter you call mouth, to spread that ungodly news again about my son, my prince, the crown prince of this kingdom, you will regret the day you were born.
Mother, you don't go fit do anything.
Will you get out of here?
Nothing go fit stop. I will clear you. I just respect you. If not, I for fuck you up for here. You whine. Get out. Try your picking well, oh. Get out. If I catch him, I go chop in meat. You whine. Get out. Oh God, man. Fool.
Please, I beg you. Leave me now. Please. Wait. Ebam, across corner line now. I want to ask you something. I asked you one question there. Answer me as we are coming. Answer me now. When the priest was doing it, did you scream? It's Impu? Asim, I. Eh? It's him, I. When the priest was doing it, did you say, help her? Because villagers, come and help me. Did we see anything on priest said?
It's not what you think now. It's not what you think. But if you tell because no.
Eh? Do you know the only thing now? Go and marry the prince.
No.
Go and marry the prince. Because if I was in the city selling my drink, to God, I would not see somebody like you. Muna gama mwe anything to do in common. Lekwegi. Manam keke se aswe omunem. That's I stoop low for you.
Now, please, I'm sorry. I'm
it's
sorry.
Nothing. You open your leg
no.
for prince. Hey!
Buchi now, Buchi please. Buchi please.
Buchi.
Buchi, boo boo.
Okay,
my love.
If okay. Hi, Prince. Only because he said Nas Prince, you open leg. Anofia. Yeah? If I was in the city, will you do this to me? Mama, take care. No one now so one that's really here. Nanny, Obe Papa for Prince. Mama, take care. Oh my hair. Oh my hair. You got to get back.
What are you doing here?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Oh my god. Heaven is hungry. Oh my god. I feel like crying. Someone is hungry. My baby girl is hungry. You're hungry?
Yes.
You need food?
Yes.
And you want to eat right now?
Yes.
Okay. Well, come, let's go and get food. Come. Come on, will you get out? Get out! I said get out. You are hungry. You want to eat. I'm not your cook. When you're hungry, come and tell me that you're hungry. As what? Idiot. Rubbish. Oh, come and eat me.
This your character will destroy you. This your way will lead you to suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. You make it over, so you got half of fire. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. You make it over, so you got half of fire. You make it over, you got half of fire. You make it over, so you got half of fire. You make it over, so you got half of fire. You make it over, so you got half of fire. You make it over, you got half of fire. You make it over, so you got half of fire. You make it over, so you got half of fire.
The best food in the market. Every morning she arrives with a big black pot of hot food. Every morning she arrives with a big black pot. She puts chicken food on her head. Then she sat down quietly under a tree. Began to tell her she never spoke to anyone. She never to other around.
Hey! And you? What are you doing here? You are studying. Now pack your book and leave. Be fast about it. Now listen to me. Before you eat or play in this house. Now, wash the clothes.
But we have washing machine in the house.
Oh really? We have washing machine in the house. Henceforth, you are the new washing machine in this house. Now get to work. Rubbish. I don't want to meet you here again. Idiots.
This your way, we live. This your character will destroy you. This your way will lead you to hell. If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got half of ya. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya.
What is happening here? What in God's name? Look at this little brat. Come on, stand up for yourself. Are you mad? I asked you to wash my clothes and you are here sleeping. Eh? Come on, get from there and do what I asked you.
Madam, Mba, why will you be calling her a witch? Look at the kind of clothes you give her to wash. You even pour her water. If not because say be my madam, I for tell you say make you wash her.
Come back here. I said come back here. Kneel down. Kneel down. Raise your hands up. I'm talking. You're still talking, idiot. Now get to work. Get to work! Get my slippers for me.
I will stand up, I will make time.
I said get my slippers for me. Anyhow you want to do it, get my slippers for me. It's like you don't fancy this your joke.
This your way will lead you to hell. This your character will destroy you. This your way will lead you to hell.
This thing again, me and you go get problem. No, I come back.
If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got half of ya.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Come on, I just heard you scream.
I just had a bad dream. I'm okay.
Sorry. You're sure you're fine?
Okay.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save.
I no want verse o. I no want verse o. I tell this girl say today na your birthday, no go school, you know well. She say she get exam when she wan write, she dey insist say she must go. Now see now.
Yes, ma'am, we did. We wrote 2 tests, chemistry and biology, not exam.
Hey, Mo, they go house first. Mo first, just calm down small. She go come back. Mo wait small. Mo, they go.